Hey guys, welcome to my vlog. We on our way to get a Christmas tree. That is unhealthy. When you've been in the wild as long as I have, you learn to adapt to your surroundings. You gotta eat snow. Eating snow is the only way you'll survive out here. It's a very harsh world. Back in the car, my phone died back there. I didn't get much footage, but we're warm, right, Grandma? Say hi to the vlog. Yeah. We got the sea warmers on. We got the heater blasting. Got the music.
Not available everywhere.
I'm trying to get copyrighted. We out here, though. We out here. Me and my grandma listening to some jams. Wait, is that Joe? Is that Joe, Grandma?
Across the street?
No, Joe. Is he Joe? Do you know who Joe is?
Brenda's husband?
No, Joe.
Oh hey, oh hey, oh hey, way, oh hey, way, oh hey, oh hey.
Oh, what a treat, just you and me, tapping our feet, it's our birthday love.
Hi, I'm Mary. Sadly, a few months ago, my old car kept conking out. I decided not to take a chance on a temporary fix, but to donate it.
Thanks
I
for
called
watching.
833-300-5737,
Like
KSFR's car
and
donation
subscribe.
line, and did just
Tell 'em to
that.
like
I
and
knew they could use
subscribe.
any amount the car would bring, and it felt so good to support
Yeah.
my favorite public radio station and the music, news, and talk shows I love.